Uh, Hello YouTube. Good morning. This is Cody coming to you from Variety Work, and today I got the old 52 8M Ford, and I just got done fixing the roller again, and gonna do some lawn rolling, and I want to give you an update on the cement mixer purchase. There was some stuff cut off here, and there's some pieces that were on there that you guys seen. I took all that ugly stuff off. And then up here, crazy dog. Say hello to the camera, Addy. And down here, I made this, turn this into like a wagon style so I could move the cement mixer around easier, because it's not like I'm going to be taking it on the road. But I got it greased up today, and hopefully we're going to be working on the table saw later today, and I'm just going to call this part 2 of the concrete mixer. And yeah, I was gonna find my tripod and put you on the tractor somehow so we can get rolling the lawn. But I have yet to find my my tripod. So stay tuned. Gotta do something from the door. Well, oh yeah, there's a tripod. There's a tripod. All right, so I'll set you up in the tripod. Hopefully I can do this. And hopefully I got another ratchet strap. But if not, I can always come back and roll the lawn with you guys some other time. Because I was thinking about putting you right there, but I don't like that, so I'm gonna be in the way. So, well, stay tuned. I wanted to give you an update video on the concrete mixer. I'll probably come back later on today and get everything out and show you how it works and stuff. So please like, comment, and subscribe. This is Variety Work signing out. Take care.